Just got back from playing pickleball and I love my new paddle. It comes in this super cute case. This is what it looks like. So this is after playing for one game. You do see the imprints of the ball, but hey, that's all good. Looks like I'm kind of hitting in the right area too, which is great. I love the grip on it. So it's got a really, really nice grip. I actually played better today than I do ever. So I really do think the paddle does make a difference just with the stability and the control. I play almost weekly and I'd say I'm like intermediate level, so I'm definitely not advanced, but I'm also not beginner. And I was using a pretty beginner paddle till today, and now I can see that my game is getting a little bit better, and I'm sure the more I use this, the better it's going to get. So I am loving it so far, so good. And also, we just talk about how it matches, and if you love purple, you're gonna love the color scheme on this one, but also it's just an awesome paddle, and I found that I played better with it.